Hello friends, this is Preetha from Preetha Genesis channel. Hope you are doing good. This is a new art material review video. This time I am recommending you, if you are a beginner, to use this particular kit. This is very helpful. This is Fevicryl all-in-one artist canvas kit. Mention the packaging details, the retail price and the contents of that and how to use it. Everything is been mentioned. So let's get started. Hope you like it. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Hello friends, today we are going to review this Fevicryl all-in-one canvas painting kit. It includes 3 set of stencils and it retails for 199 rupees. So I will show you. So these are the patterns which are mentioned as part of stencils. You will be getting any 3 of these. And as I have mentioned before, this retails for 199 rupees. And let's see what are the things which are inside. But you can see the content list over here. It has a lilac kit 60 ml, and then fine art canvas board which is of size 20. Basically it's 8 by 10 canvas, 8 inches into 10 inches, and then it has a fine art round brush size 4 and a Fevicryl stencil design 3 units. So let's look into the packaging. So this is the contents which are available inside. You can see there is one canvas board. I have used a canvas board from Fine Art Company before. So the canvas boards are pretty good in nature, and I think it is a little bit thinner as compared to the Camlin or Camel's canvas board, but the grain and everything work-wise, the canvas is good enough to work on for acrylics. Now this is a round brush, if you can see, and this is of size 4. So you can see with the size, you can get to know that you can't do much of detailing work with the round 4. And it's a synthetic hair brush because it's a acrylic painting kit. So synthetic hair brushes are used especially for oil painting and acrylic painting. So this is the brush. Then we have the lilac kit, and it's named as lilac because of the particular size, but you will be having same primary colors. So green is actually the sap green, yellow is your lemon yellow, we have ultramarine blue, this is crimson red, and then it's a white, normal, not titanium white, and then it's a black, not ivory black, normal black. So these are the colors inside this particular kit. And then we have 3 set of stencils. Let me open it, and it comes in this kind of packaging where similar kind of details are mentioned what we have seen in the major kit. And you can see these stencils are 30 rupees only. So 3 stencils, that means 10 rupees each. So if you look into the individual pricing, this is 30 rupees, and then this kit comes in 80 rupees, and the canvas board, I think this retails for 75, and the round brush, the price you will get it over here, it comes for 35 rupees. So sorry, 220 rupees, but you are getting it in 199. So yeah, but only thing is when you go for buying stencils, you can choose from yourself like what stencil you want. Here they will be giving you some random choices. So I'm doing this review on a black surface so that you would be able to see the stencils properly. Okay, the first one is the Buddha stencils. This is how it looks, and it's the best stencil available in the kit. as per my choice, if you ask me. The second one is hand kind of print, and I will give you more details in the description box or below that what this particular symbol means. Okay, so this is the second one. And third one is a tribal art kind of stencil, and this is 4 ladies dancing, and it's a tribal art. So here with this stencil you can add a few more details to the structure and all. Here this stencil is already a detailed one, so no need to do anything on top of it. And this one Buddha stencil is also a detailed one, so you need not to add any detail on top of it. Only thing is just paint the canvas as per your choice, and then on top of it you can just paint with some color. So I will give you a demo of it, a small demo, because I'm going to use these stencils on a bigger canvas and do something better with it. But yeah, if you can see, these stencils are of same size as the canvas board. It's 8 by 10, so that you can just stick the stencil on canvas board and do painting on top of it. I think with this particular Buddha stencil only you can create multiple different kind of art pieces. I will show a couple of them to you in my next videos, so stay tuned, and thanks for watching.